Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a part 2 of how to use TradeView. So as of now, I will use 1 hour chart. So whenever you change the time frame, don't forget to reset the chart. So now we will see how to add all the stocks into watch list. As default, there are so many symbols available in the watch list. So we are using free version, so we can create only one watch list. So now I will remove all the symbols from the list. Here you can see the watch list is empty. Now if you want to add any of the stock in the watch list, click on the plus sign and type your stock. So if I type TCS, here you can see Tata Consultancy Service. So if you click on the symbol, here you can see that TCS is added to your watch list. So like that, you have to add all the stocks which you want to. For now, I will add 2 more stocks. So you will be having so many stocks in your watch list. So you want to identify few favorite stocks. For that, you will put flag to it. For example, TCS is my favorite stock and I want to mark it in a different way. Simply right click on the symbol and here you can see flag TCS. Click on flag and you can see red color. But in the free version you can only set one color, so this will be helpful to identify your favorite stock. Now we will add few indicators to our charts. The most used indicator is simple moving average. To add any indicator, click on indicators. So here I typed moving average and here you can see moving average and moving average exponential. For as of now I am using moving average. Click on moving average and here you can see a blue lines and this moving average is of 9 days. So if you want to change the duration of the indicator, here you can see the moving average symbol and click on the setting icon. And here you can change the style and length of the moving average. The length I will change to 21 and click on OK. Here you can see the line has changed a bit. Now I will change the color of the line. Click on setting, go to style and here the blue line I will change it to yellow and opacity I will reduce to 55. I'll click on OK. Here you can see the line color has changed. That's it for today. If you have any queries, please don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.